Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sukriti Edutech. Today in this chapter we will learn about prime factorization. So let us start the video. Prime factorization. When every factor of a prime number is a prime number, the factorization of that number is known as prime factorization. We all know that all composite numbers can be broken up into prime factors. Suppose we have to break 14 into two parts, that is 2 multiplied by 7. So 2 is a prime number and 7 is a prime number. So they are the prime factors of 14. In the same way, 18 can be broken up into 2 multiplied by 9. 2 is a prime factor, so can't be further divided. This is another part and this one is different part. 82 multiplied by 9. 2 is a prime factor, can't be further divided, so I will write 2 as it is. But 9 is not a prime factor. 9 is not a prime number, so it can be further divided into two parts, that is 3 3s are 9, so in this way, and 2 and 3 are the prime numbers and prime factors. So this is this is all about the composite number, how we can broken up composite numbers into different numbers. So now take the example of 24. 24, here few points we should notice that we should always start with the smallest possible prime factor, and 24 is an even number, can be divided by 2, and 2 is a prime number, so it can be started with 2. So we should always try to start with the smallest possible number. So here 2 is a prime factor, cannot be further divided, and 12 can be further divided because 12 is a composite number, can be further divided into 2 multiplied by 6. 2 multiplied by 6. Here again we have 2, so it will be written as it is because it is a prime factor, cannot be further divided. But now 6 is a composite number, can be further divided into 2 multiplied by 3, means 2 3s are 6. So we now, these are all the prime factors. These are all the prime factors. So we cannot factorize further, as this last row is a prime factor and it cannot be further factorized. Now we will learn how to divide to find the prime factors. So we will take few examples here. For example, I am taking the first number 76, and now I have to find out the prime factors of 76. And as I told you to start with the lowest prime factor, so I will start with the lowest prime factor. So we all know that 76 is a even number, can be divided by 2, and we all know that 2 is a prime number. So I will start with 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. How? This is just like the division. How? 76 is divided when 2 3s are 6, and it leaves remainder as 1. 7 subtracted by 6 is 1, and 6 2 8s are 16. So whatever quotient we have to write this quotient here, 38. So now you know how to find out the prime factors. So start the process. I told you that I will start with the smallest possible prime factors, because when you start with the smallest prime factor, it will be easy for you to find out all the prime factors of a number easily. So 38 is an even prime number, so it can be divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 nines. Now 19. We all know that 19 is a prime number, so can't be further divided. So I can write the prime factors of 76 as 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 90, like this. Okay, we will understand with this with another example. We will take 56. Now you all know what procedure you have to follow. You have to take smallest possible prime number, that is because 56 is also a even number. You can take 2 here, and in the same way as you divide, and you have to write the quotient here. So 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Again this is a even number, can be divided by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. This is again 2 7s are 14. Now stop the process. Here we have to stop the process when we get a prime number. Try to stop the process when you get a prime number. So the prime factors of 56 are 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 7. In this way you can find prime factors of any number. So hope you understand this process. Try to take more examples and practice as much as you can, and you can learn the prime factors. Now, we have to find out the common factors of a pair. If you are given two numbers, if you are given two numbers like I'm taking the examples 75 and 90. 75 and 90. So I have to find out the common factors of 75 90. First I will try with 75. I told you to take smallest possible common factor. Here we see that this is not a even number, this is a odd number. So I will start with 3. Again, this is the same process of the division. You always write quotient here. So I will divide it with 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. Now 25. 25 can be divided by 5 and 5 is a prime number, and I will write 5 5s are 25. Stop the process here as we get a prime numbers. So now I will try with 90. 90 is a even number, can be easily divided by 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. You can divide this number. If you feel any difficulty in dividing this number, you can divide here 90 divided by 2, and you can write quotient here. Now 45 is an odd number, can be divided by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, and again 3 5s are 15. I will stop the process here as I got 5. 5 is a prime factor. So now I will write the prime factors of 75 like 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 5, and now 90. 90 is 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. Now I will see what are the common factors here. 2 is present in 90. 2 is the prime factor of 90 but not 75. So I will leave it. Then I will see 3. 3 is a prime factor of 75, also 90. So 3 is a common factor. 3 is a common factor. And now see with 5. 5 is the prime factor of 75 and also prime factor of 90. So 3 and 5 are the common factors of 75 and 90. In this way you can find out the common factors. I can show you with one more examples. I will take 18 and 60. 18 and 60. 18, when you find out the prime factors of 18, I will start again with the smallest possible prime factors. So smallest possible prime factors that can be divided with 18. 2 9s are 18. Now 9 can be divided by 3. So 3 3s are. Stop the process as I got the as I get the prime factors. Now I will do with 60 the same process. 2 3s 30, and 2 15, and 3 5s are 15, and I have 5 as a prime factor, so I will stop the process. Now I will see what are the common factors of 18 and 60. So common factors of 18 have the prime factors as 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. Now 60, 62 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. So what are the common factors here? 2 is a common factor and 3 is a common factor. So the common factors of 1860 are 2 and 3. So in this way we can find the common factors of any pair of number. Now the next topic is prime factorization tree. This is nothing different, it's the same as you find out the prime factors of any number. So I will start with 120. Suppose we have a number 120 and we have to find out the factor tree of this number. So in the same way I will try to find out, for your easiness I will show you how to find out the prime factors. 120, you can find out the prime factors of 120. You can start with 2 because we always start with the smallest possible prime factors. So 2, 6 are 12, 60, and this is 2, 30, and this is 2, 50. If you feel difficulty in doing this, try to practice with the division, because we always write quotient here. We always write quotient here, so you can write with this, start in this way. So 3 5s are 15, and we will stop the process here as we have 5 as a prime factor here. So now try to make a factor tree. First 120 can be broken up into 2 multiply by 60. 2 multiply by 60, and 2 is a prime factor, so I will write it as it is. And now 60, 32 is a 60, so I will write 2 and in this box 30. Now see, 2 is a prime factor, again I will write it as it is and will work on the 30. As we see, 15 2 is a 30, so I will write in this circle 2 and in this circle 15. Now all of you know that 3 5s are 15. So first I will write all the prime factor as it is. I write down all the prime factor as it is, and 3 5s are 15. In this circle 3 and in this circle 5. Now I have the prime factorization tree of 120, and I can write the prime factors of 120 as 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. In this way you can find out prime factorization tree of any number. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. We will meet you in the next video. Thank you so much.